phones, TV, and computers are merging.
5 years from now, we're not going to have distinct cable and telephone industries.
We interrupt your programming for a special announcement. Please pay attention to what is being said, as it is vital for your safety and life. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA, has just stated that due to an anomaly in the Sun's orbit, the Moon may crash into the Earth, killing humanity as we know it. However, do not panic, as this is not certain. Sadly, NASA has just confirmed that the Moon will indeed crash into the Earth. This catastrophe will cause an extinction-level event, destroying all life on Earth and turning the planet's surface into molten magma. The collision event will take place during the next few hours. Whatever you do, do not go outside. Moon debris can fall down from the sky and leave you severely injured or even killed. All that we can do now is fully cherish our last day on Earth, not dying in panic, but in honor, dignity and respect. Due to this, NBC will now sign off for the final time with our national anthem. Thank you for all your years of loyal viewership. God bless America.